So hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to, in case your PC Lenovo ThinkPad it's not working, the keyboard backlight is not working. So first thing you have to do, go to your Chrome engine, sorry. Open your browser, then search for Lenovo Vantage. So Lenovo Vantage will help you in adjusting the backlight of the keyboard in case you want it off, high or low. So sometimes the functional key may not work, and this is the best way to do it. So after downloading the Lenovo Vantage app, install it and enable it to access all your settings. So in my case, I downloaded the Lenovo Vantage. I'm going to open it directly. So it's loading. So this is the home page of the Vantage Manager. Click on the expand menu, go to device settings. After clicking the device settings, scroll down to inputs. Then you will be able to adjust your backlight brightness key. So in my case it was low, then it was not showing. So you can adjust it to high or turn it off. So that's the best and easiest way in case the functional key is not working. And thank you.